guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video, I show you guys a bit some my groceries in our new home. So just I buy some groceries, guys. So I'll show you. Let's do it. Hi guys, so I go to the Robinsons. I buy some a little bit, guys. I buy my Nivea deodorant. This is my favorite. Ito lang yung hiyang ko, guys. Nivea Pearl and Beauty. So ito lang yung hiyang natin. Alright. I buy for this toilet, guys. Albatros in the toilet. Yeah, in my toilet. And then, nagbay ako ng soap. This is my favorite, Silka. Ayan, Silka yung sabon natin, guys. Buy natin ng tatlong peraso. Alright. So, tatlo yung binili ko, guys. So, mostly, I buy the other one, yung yellow. So, I choose again another one, green. So, ito lang yung hiyang natin, guys, na sabon. And then, hindi ako nag-washing, guys, kasi magasto sa tubig. Although, merong, electric washing machine. So, better I use this one, guys. Surf. I buy surf. Ayan, surf bar. And then, ito yung mga binibili natin, guys. Excuse me! Andito pala yung aking alagang Persian. Ayan, kakakuha ko lang sa kanya. Say hi! 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 Say hi, hi! Alright. Excuse me! Makulit siya, guys. Makulit. Ayan. Gusto yung makulit. So, and then I bought this, the two. Ayan na tayong locker. Locker. Ayan. Dalawa siya, guys. Ayan. Chocolate. Ayan. Excuse me! Ayan. Nagbili tayo ng coffee. Itong coffee ko, guys. Ayan. After my surgery, guys. So, it's been 1 month. Manog 2 months na, guys. Oh, magto 2 months na hindi ako nagko-coffee or more than 2 months na, guys. So, mag-coffee na tayo. It's because tapos naman tayo ng opera, guys. Magko-coffee. Ito pala yung favorite ko, guys. And then, excuse me, Selim! Bumili ako ng tissue. Ayan, bumili ako ng tissue, guys. And, bumili ako ng biscuits. And that's it. Ouch! Makulit talaga siya, guys. Makulit. Ito lang yung mga grocery natin, guys. Yung coffee. This is Wilson's favorite coffee as well. And the biscuits. And the tissue, and the biscuits, and this is the soap. Oh! Oh my god. Sorry. My deodorant is getting broke. Come here! Come here! Ayan, guys. Bumili pala ako ng aking, ng phone ko, guys. Mahirap kasi pag marami kang phone. Ang dami, iba-iba yung charger. So, bumili pala ako nito, guys. 200 pesos. Ayun na, use ko na siya. Ganito siya, guys. Fast charger. Nakuha ko na pala yung USB lang siya. USB na kinakabit. So, ginagamit ko na siya, guys. Color green din siya. Yung favorite color. Come here. Ayan. Ito yung makulit naming bubot. Ayan. Kakukuha ko lang sa kanya, guys. Kasi, iniwan ko siya sa kabilang bahay. Ayan. Say hi. Ow! No! Don't bite me! Ah! Ice pang! Gusto niya maglaro. Boom, boom, boom. Say hi! Ay! Hi! Say hi! Ay! Dance. Dance. Ay, bad. Oh. Ay, gusto niya maglaro, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Ay, gusto niya maglaro. Gusto niya maglaro, guys. Tara! Gumagala kami, guys. Gumagala. Ayan, boom, boom. Say hi, bye-bye. Bye. Don't forget to to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Say bye! Bye, 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 bye! Bye, 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 bye! Bye, 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 bye! Bye, 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 bye! Gigil ako. Bye! Bye! Ayun guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next vlog. So, yun lang yung haul natin. And, ay! My shit! Gosh! Hindi pala na-off. Oh my shit. Hi guys! Dito naman kami sa aming galaan. Kasama ko yung aking ate, yung mga anak niyang dalawa. And then, gumala kami dito guys sa Victoria's Plaza. So, ayan guys. I think is weekend din ito guys. Yung gumala kami. Ayan. May kasama pa yung anak niya. Oh, dala-dala yung mga pinamili guys. I think, ayan. So, tingnan mo ako yung nahuli. Ito yung plaza ng Victoria's City guys. As you can see, maganda na siya ngayon. Ayan, charot-charot na naman ang camera ko is ang gulo-gulo naman din guys. As you can see, ayan, picture taking kami yan dito guys. Ayan, ayan yung madam nyo guys. Charot-charot. Ayan, picture na yan sila. I think it's tanghaling tapat ito guys, mainit. So, ayan. Naglalakad-lakad, ayan yung ate ko, ayan, nagpisilpi-silpi. Ako naman sa likuran niya guys, lumalakad habang nagbibideo. Ayan, so far nakikita nyo guys, ito yung Victoria's Plaza guys. Ang ganda niya na so far. Ayan, hello guys, ito na naman pala is yung Lagoon dito sa Bacolod City. Ayan, ang ganda. Mayroon silang patubigan. Mayroon pang Christmas tree sa gitna ng tubig. Ayan, gumala ako dito mag-isa lang guys. Kasi, wala man dito yung mister ko. Ayan, gumala din ako dito guys. So, I think it's around 3-4 in the afternoon. Ganyang oras dito guys. So, gumala ako dito guys. And then, after ko gumala dito is kumain ako nito sa Jollibee kasi ginutom ako. At sabi ng asawa ko, bago daw ako umuwi ng bahay, kumain daw muna ako. Kaya yung inday nyo, nako. Ang saya-saya kasi nakaka-Jollibee na naman. Alam nyo guys, ang daming nagdi-date dito sa ganitong area. So far, ako lang naman yung mag-isa. So, paikot-ikot, gala-gala, ganun lang yung buhay natin, guys. Habang wala pa tayo, guys, nag-aantay pa tayo ng ating inaantay. Alam nyo na yung inaantay ko kung ano yun. Yung papunta sa lugar ng aking asawang apam. Charot-charot. Ayan. Tapos, ayan na, guys. As you can see, nakikita nyo yung Lagoon, Bacolod Lagoon Park. So, ito yan guys. Ang ganda, mahangin, malinis. Hindi siya tulad ng dati na marumi. So, maganda siya guys. Ayan, maganda ito sa may family bonding, mga friends. So far, ang ganda talaga as in guys. Nakaupo lang ako dito guys. Kasi, habang natutulog yung asawa ko, inaantay ko pala siya dito guys. Natatawagan ko. And then, habang nakaupo ako dyan, nagvi-video ako guys. Ayun. Ayan, ito yung mga video na nakuha natin. Ayan, pasensya na medyo yung kamay natin medyo magalaw-galaw yung alam mo na guys, pasmado. Ayan na yung mukha ko dyan. Ayan guys, as you can see. O, diba? Nagpiling maganda si Inday dyan. Ayan. Oh.
Ayan, ano tayo dito guys.
Iwan ko nung pinagsasabi ko dyan isa. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Babu. God bless.